Oblique Seville, born on March 16, 2001, in Ness Castle, St. Thomas, has quickly become one of Jamaica's brightest sprinter prospects. Starting his journey at Calabar High School, Seville has gone on to make his mark on the international stage. Coached by the renowned Glenn Mills at the Racers Track Club, Seville's rise in track and field has been nothing short of impressive. You'd remember how 2019 turned out to be a breakthrough year for him. At the Carifta Games in Georgetown, Cayman Islands, he blazed through the 100 meters in 10.24 seconds, and not only did he win, but he also helped secure a victory in the 4x100 meters relay. His win at the Jamaican Under-20 Championships in Kingston in 10.13 seconds was another signal that Seville was a force to be reckoned with. His performance at the 2019 Pan American Under-20 Championships, where he snagged silver in the 100 meters and 4x100 meters relay, further solidified his place in the sprinting world. Despite the disruptions caused by the COVID-19 pandemic, Seville wasn't sidelined for long. In 2021, he proved his resilience by clocking the fastest 100 meters time at the Jamaican Olympic Trials qualification in April. Later, at the delayed 2020 Summer Games in Tokyo, he reached the semifinals, showing that he belonged among the world's best. It was at the 2022 World Athletics Championships in Eugene, Oregon, that Seville really got the world's attention, finishing fourth in the 100 meters final. By 2023, Seville continued to impress. After finishing third at the Jamaican National Championships behind Rohan Watson's unexpected win, he ran his personal best in the 100 meters at the World Championships in Budapest, securing another fourth-place finish. But it was in 2024 that he really started hitting his stride. Seville lowered his 200 meters personal best to 20.17 seconds in Kingston and ran a world-leading 9.82 seconds in the 100 meters at the Racers Grand Prix in Kingston, where he outpaced Noah Lyles. At the Paris 2024 Olympics, he came in strong, running 9.81 seconds in the 100 meters, though he finished 8th in the final. That wasn't the end of his journey, though. In December 2024, it was announced that Seville would be part of the inaugural season of the Grand Slam track, founded by none other than Michael Johnson. This will no doubt add even more excitement to Seville's already thrilling career. From his roots in Ness Castle, St. Thomas, to becoming one of the fastest men on the planet, Oblique Seville's story is still being written, and you're definitely going to want to keep an eye on what comes next.